大家好. Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 Minutes YouTube channel. In today's episode, you will hear a fun conversation packed with real-life Chinese phrases, emotional moments, and a surprise ending. Perfect for Chinese learners who love a little drama and a lot of laughs. Meet Xiao Li, a guy who is facing the ultimate pressure from home. His mom is ready for grandkids, and she's not taking no for an answer. But Xiao Li doesn't even have a girlfriend until he talks to his friend Lily, and everything takes a turn. She laughs at his situation like it's the funniest thing she has ever heard. Let's get started.
你怎么看来愁眉苦脸的？失业了？
我妈逼我结婚了。
哈哈哈哈！终于轮到你了。
别笑我了，我正愁着呢。
结婚是好事呀，你应该高兴才是。
别再挖苦我了。他说我再不结婚，就要找媒人给我相亲了。
媒人？这都什么年代了？你妈是不是电视剧看多了？那你有喜欢的女生吗？还是想先搞事业？
说实话，是有喜欢的。
哇，还真有。
但他不知道我喜欢他。
快说快说。谁啊？是公司同事？朋友介绍的？
都不是，其实是你。
等一下，你是在逗我的吧？
我是认真的。你以为我今天来是为了咖啡吗？
啊，其实我也有些话想跟你说。
你不会也想告诉我你喜欢我？
怎么可能？我是想跟你说我下个月要结婚了。
你说什么？
别这样嘛，我的婚礼你一定要来，不能缺席哦。开玩笑的啦，谁叫你先吓到我了？
你是不是有病？吓死我了！
我们现在扯平了，我们走吧，我请你吃饭。
可以，但有个条件，不准再开这样的玩笑。
哈哈，没问题。走吧，未来老公。
我喜欢你不是开玩笑的。
你怎么看来愁眉苦脸的？失业了？
我妈逼我结婚了。
哈哈哈哈！终于轮到你了。
别笑我了，我正愁着呢。
结婚是好事呀，你应该高兴才是。
别再挖苦我了。他说我再不结婚，就要找媒人给我相亲了。
媒人？这都什么年代了？你妈是不是电视剧看多了？那你有喜欢的女生吗？还是想先搞事业？
说实话，是有喜欢的。
哇，还真有。
但他不知道我喜欢他。
快说快说。谁啊？是公司同事？朋友介绍的？
都不是，其实是你。
等一下，你是在逗我的吧？
我是认真的。你以为我今天来是为了咖啡吗？
啊，其实我也有些话想跟你说。
你不会也想告诉我你喜欢我？
怎么可能？我是想跟你说我下个月要结婚了。
你说什么？
别这样嘛， 我的婚礼你一定要来，不能缺席哦。开玩笑的啦，谁叫你先吓到我了？
你是不是有病？吓死我了！
我们现在扯平了，我们走吧，我请你吃饭。
可以，但有个条件，不准再开这样的玩笑。
哈哈，没问题。走吧，未来老公。
我喜欢你不是开玩笑的。
愁眉苦脸，愁眉苦脸。愁 means worry or anxiety. 眉 means eyebrows. 苦 means bitter or suffering. 脸 means face. 父母一提到结婚的事，他就愁眉苦脸。Whenever his parents mention marriage, he immediately looks miserable. 相亲 refers to a traditional matchmaking practice in Chinese culture where two people meet with the intention of finding a potential marriage partner. It is often arranged by family members, friends, or professional matchmakers. 相 means each other, one another, or mutually. 亲 means parent, one's own flesh and blood, relative related, or the internet slang for dear. 相亲角 Parents who are eager to find a spouse for their child usually gather at parks in big cities in China, like in Shanghai and in Beijing, to exchange information about their children. They display handwritten profiles listing details such as age, height, weight, education, job, income, housing situation, sometimes zodiac sign, or desired qualities in a partner. B. B is to force somebody to do something, to compel, to press on, or to pressure someone. 他被债主逼得透过气来。He was pressured so hard by his creditors that he could hardly breathe. 轮 means wheel, disc, or to take turns. 今天轮到你洗厕所。Today is your turn to clean the bathroom. 挖苦 means to speak sarcastically or to make cutting remarks. 挖 means to dig. 苦 is bitter. 他已经够惨了，别再挖苦他了。She's already miserable enough. Stop being sarcastic to her. 逗 means to stay or to tease someone or amusing. Example, 逗留 means to stay, to stop over. 逗人 means funny or amusing. 挑逗 means to provoke. 扯平 means to make even. 昨天你替我加班，今天我帮你做计划书，我们算扯平了。You worked overtime for me yesterday, and I helped you to finish the proposal today, so we are even. 今天的视频到此结束，希望大家喜欢，谢谢大家的支持，再见。